Hi, my name is Angela French. I'm one of the teacher product developers here at Really Good Stuff. Today, I want to talk to you about our 5th grade Learning Success Kit. Let's take a look inside. In this kit, you're going to receive a ton of useful materials, including an activity book that features a letter in English and in Spanish to families, as well as different ways to use all the materials inside, including ways to take it further. It includes 5 double-sided dry erase mats, a dry erase marker, some journals including math and ELA, some handy tools for SEL and math as well as reading, some writing prompts, and an Outback algebra game, a great math game for students to use whether they're in school or at home. We hope you find all these materials not only rigorous but entertaining for your students.